all, you guys aren't skating at the skate park, so you should be the ones to leave. And also, you know, why would they leave? They are literally trying to make peace with you guys, and you're not accepting it. And on top of that, you know, not that, like, violence is the answer. It's not. I don't advocate for that. That being said, bro, if you are, like, two groups, right, and your groups fight, and one of you ends up crying and running away, and then, like, doesn't even land a punch, and one of the two groups has to go, I feel like the group that got beat up just kind of has to leave. You know, like, I just, you know, what, are they supposed to be afraid of a rematch or something? This is just an insanely weird situation, and the subscriber and his friends are just really confused because it didn't have to escalate at all. Like, it didn't have to be weird. It was this group's insistence on making it weirder and weirder. I mean, honestly, the emo crew could have literally prevented all of this, but at every single point just made it even weirder. It went from, like, a normal day to basically the skate park equivalent of a bench clearing brawl for nothing. Like, if you wanted to just sit at the skate park and hang out, you could have. You could have just not ran in the way of the dude. You could have apologized for running into the way of the dude and, like, not shoved him, and then, you know, you could have just been like, ah, whatever, it's water under the bridge. But no, at every turn it just got weirder. Anyways, they go back to packing their stuff, and at this point, the guy and his friends are just kind of watching them pack up their stuff. And they go to leave the skate park, and as they're leaving, the kid that he had gotten into the fight with turns around, points at the subscriber, who, you know, had slapped him, and says, like, next time I see you, I'm gonna beat you into a pulp, you coward. And listen, man, I understand wanting to have the last word. I understand wanting to be like the guy that has the cool saying or whatever. That being said, dude, if you just cried after this guy slapped you, I don't think you have much room to be talking about, next time I'm gonna beat you up. Like, what? Do you think he's gonna be afraid of a rematch after he literally dodged two of your